Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the pair of CHFJPY, CHFJPY, and this is now in downtrend. But for this pair I wanted to explain something. Now I was wondering what this move was. I am counting this as high. Then in JPY pairs, this move has been seen. This was the day when Bank of Japan intervened this market. They pushed the pair down, all the pairs. This was the September 2022. I want to show that news also. Now let us watch that news when Bank of Japan intervened in the market. This is that news. This is the news that I want to share with you. Japan's central bank intervened in the foreign exchange market today, September 2022, to prop up the yen for the first time since 1998. The move came soon after the Bank of Japan kept its ultra low rates unchanged at a policy meeting, a decision that pushed the currency further down. We have taken decisive action in the foreign exchange market. Vice Finance Minister for International Affairs Masato Kanda said, Reuters reported. The yen has depreciated around 20% against the dollar this year. So this was the 2022 September. Now let us see this move on the chart. So this is, now this is the chart. This was that day. Bank of Japan did not want to go further down Japanese yen, so they intervened and pushed the yen, pushed the shift down, and all other currencies, Japanese yen appreciated after the intervention of Bank of Japan. So excluding this is the high of the market. This is the resistance of the market. Now this was high, and then after this high the market went for this low, and this is the low. This was the high of the market, this was the low of the market. Then market went back to retest. After this retest, it broke down. Again we went back and came down. So again went. I think this was the retest after breakout. Which one was? This was the retest after breakout, and then market again retested this level and then came down. So I don't think that this market will go up now. I don't know what will happen. Let us see this on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, this is the resistance here. Okay, I don't think now it will go further up. I don't know, but I don't think this would have been a better entry, but it's all up to you. This is just my analysis. I want to share with you that what is happening here. Now here, these are the 4 hours, and this pair is being rejected from here. After testing this level, the market is already in downtrend, and this is routine retest of the above. After breaking, the markets retest that level. Now main breakdown has been done already, and now the pair is going downward. This is the retest of this level only according to my analysis, because now two retests has done, one after breaking the low and second after at this level. This also, this worked as support. Oh, sorry, yeah, support. Yes, this already worked as support. Then it went back to retest this level second time. So now this market won't go back, but this support will be used as resistance. So from now on, the market will go downward, and this is in downtrend now. And this market will be looking for the level according to my analysis. Now let me put here, I think this will be looking at this level, from this to at least this level. So please subscribe my channel, like this video, and watch my other videos also, and share my videos and comment on my videos. And thanks for watching. I will be coming in the next video. Okay, one thing I wanted to share with you about gold and Switzerland, Bank of Switzerland. What is its name? Swiss National Bank, SNB. SNB. This news that I want to, this thing that I want to share with you does not belong to this current analysis. But if you will take interest and will let me know in the comment, that I will make a video all about that also. The gold market, the Swiss National Bank is one of the main holder of the gold, and the market, sorry, the central bank of Switzerland, Swiss National Bank, SNB, is in loss, even in loss in gold holdings. Maybe on this FOMC, the bank could be selling the gold in bulk. So the market may go up and then come down. If you will have interest, I will research on this and make a video. Otherwise, I will see if I find that, and I feel that I share with you a video on that. I will research on that topic. But if you will let me know in the comments, then I will try my best to do so. So thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis.